So today we're doing Scarlet, and Scarlet is microneedling with radio frequency. So the way that this works is that we have numbed our patient's face and then waited a period of time, and then little tiny baby needles, like you can even see them here, tiny baby needles come out of the applicator, and these are tapered. So they're just easily getting into her skin, and they are poking at the cells that make collagen. And then when they get to the level that I've programmed, they will release radio frequency, which is the heat energy, which will irritate the cells that make collagen. So we're making collagen in 2 different ways at the same exact time. Now, as the little needles come up, they're gonna leave a channel. So she's gonna have thousands of open channels all over her face that are gonna be forced to tighten. So microneedling, as you probably know, does a great job with skin tightening. But as these needles come up, what's unique about Scarlet is as these needles come up, the radio frequency follows it. So every layer of her skin gets that tightening energy. So 2 different ways to make collagen and 2 different ways to tighten. So those are 2 great things about Scarlet. Now, other great things about Scarlet is that you can do it in the summer because it's not a light or a laser. So you can be out in the sun. I mean, I don't prefer you to be out in the sun, but you can be out in the sun. All skin types can be treated with Scarlet. So if you're very, very light or very, very dark, you too can do Scarlet. And really there's no contraindications, which is wonderful. We like that when there's no real contraindications to doing a treatment. The other great things about Scarlet is that because it's not a light or a laser, I can go all the way to her upper and lower lash line. So it can tighten her upper lids and it can tighten her lower lids. And we'll get to her lids in just a second after we're done with her cheeks. So that's really nice because with lights and lasers, we need to protect your eyes. We put metal goggles on and then we can't get as close to those lash lines, to those lashes as we would like sometimes. So with Scarlet, you can get right up in there. So it's a great way to help postpone a bleph because we can really help to tighten the upper and lower lids. There's really nothing to do to prep for this other than come in. That's your preparation, come in. And then afterwards, we'll give her some exosomes to use, which are plant-based stem cells that will help her heal faster and will help with improving her results. And then, so we'll give her some of those. And then after a few days, she can go back to her regular regimen of skincare products.